IFIA 2026. Think 2026. Raise it higher. Cheers, ladies and gentlemen. Cheers to that. Cheers to that. Cheers to that. And have it.
As you know, the biggest barrier that we have in the MSME sector is access to financing. And so the microfinancing institution go out of their way, bringing down the barriers like land, collateral, those other usual collaterals that hinders MSME from accessing affordable credit from the commercial banks. So the intermediate, so that the intermediaries, they support MSME. So we are here to support them and also to celebrate them, but also to urge them to do more. We need to do more because the MSME financing gap in this country is still very huge. Currently stands at more than 2 trillion. And this means that we need to encourage more financing institutions to come up, but then also to do more, to underwrite as much risk as they can, especially on our young people and our women. That's the reason why we are here.
Today's event is an inaugural Inclusive Finance Awards of 2016 to recognize microfinance bank and non-deposit taking credit providers that have shown excellency and leadership in our industry. We witnessed the awarding of 43 different awards in different categories tonight to be able to recognize the hard work that the industry players carry on for the country and the economy.